Hello everyone, welcome to the StockSharp channel. This is another video about Hydra Analytics. What is the Hydra Analytics feature? How do you use it? And why did we create it? You can find answers to these questions in the first video about Hydra Analytics. However, today we will introduce you to the next analytics template, which we've designed to help users understand how to use Hydra Analytics. So, today, we'll focus on the volume profile. Pretty cool, right? This analytics script can display groups, specifically grouped by the middle price. It gathers data from all the candles within a specified data range and presents the volume in a meaningful way. First of all, let's take a look at the instruments for which we have data. Let's copy the data range and use it as parameters. Remember, we discussed the range and these parameters in the first video, so please watch that one if you're unsure about what we're doing right now. Okay, what's next? We've selected one of our favorites, the Euro to US dollar financial instrument, and added it to the analytics script. Let's see what it looks like in action. So, this is exactly what it looks like. Now, let's provide a brief description of what this script does, line by line. The first line fetches the security, and since we have only one security, which is Euro to US dollar in this case. The second line retrieves the candle storage for a specified time frame, in our case, it's 1 hour. Then, we gather the required dates and check if we have the necessary data or not. Now, the following lines are where the magic happens. This script groups our candles by the middle price and accumulates the total volume. It essentially creates a fragment based on the specified price and displays the result as the highest histogram on our chart. Okay, when we look at our chart, we can see that the highest volume occurred at that price, followed by the next highest and so on. But actually, I think the best way to display this analytics is as a simple grid, sorted by volume. But we discussed this in the first video. In this video, we're mainly demonstrating how to use the chart feature. I think that covers everything. I hope you'll find our new feature in Hydra appealing and useful. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye, and we'll see you again in the next video.